Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Let's create a new composition. Name it as Title 6. Time duration for this composition will be 5 seconds. Remaining all will be same. Here first we will add our main text. For this title, I am using Montserrat font family. Align the text to center. Let's change font style to semi-bold. Here you can adjust the font size. Here you can set the text alignment. Now let's animate this text layer. For text layer, in Animate, select Tracking. At Start, create keyframe for start. Set start value to 100%. Now create end keyframe. Set end value to 0%. At distance of 1 second and 10 frames, change start and end value to 50% each. Select created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. For Animator 1, let's add Property, Opacity. Set opacity to 0%. This creates smooth text reveal effect. You can see the preview. Set tracking amount to -20. You can see the preview. For Animator 1, let's add Property, Rotation. Here we will set rotation value to 45 degrees. You can see the preview. Our main text is ready. We will place this text layer at 10 frames. Let's create duplicate of this text layer. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. This will be our subtext. Change the text. Here we will set font style to regular. Let's reduce the font size. Perfect. We will position the subtext at 1 second. You can see the preview. Perfect. For this text layer, we will slightly make changes in rotation value. Set rotation to 20 degrees. You can see the preview. Perfect. Our smooth text reveal is created. Now let's create the outline effect. Select Rectangle tool. In Fill, change Fill option to None. In Stroke, change Stroke to Solid Color. Here you can set the stroke color, or you can add Fill effect to set shape color. Now let's create shape outside the text layer. For shape layer, search for fill. You can add the fill effect. Here you can set any color of your choice. Now let's animate this shape layer. For rectangle 1, let's add trim path. For trim path, at start of the timeline, create keyframe for end. Set end to 0%. Now create keyframe for offset. At 2 seconds. Change end value to 100%. Let's adjust the offset value. You can see the preview. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Here we will only adjust the speed graph for end. Perfect. For shape layer, press R to bring up rotation. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for rotation. At start of the timeline, set rotation value to -40 degrees. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Now press T to bring up the opacity. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for opacity. At start of the timeline, change opacity value to 0%. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Perfect. Let's hide the outline. This will hide the mask layer. If you want, you can adjust the speed graph. It's optional. Let's create duplicate of shape layer 1, press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. For shape layer 2, let's change fill color. Here you can set any color of your choice. For shape layer 2, we will change rotation values. Press R to bring up rotation. Change start keyframe value to 40 degrees. You can see the preview. For end keyframe, we will make changes in the rotation value to 2 degrees. For shape layer 1, change rotation to -2 degrees. You can see the preview. Perfect. For shape layer 2, if you want, you can keep the offset keyframe for shape layer 2. Or you can remove it and change the offset value, to get some random effect. For shape layer 2, we will slightly make some changes. In transform, at 2 seconds, create keyframe for anchor point. At start of the timeline, slightly change the Y position value. Select keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now let's create a null object. Now parent all the layer to null object. For null object, press S to bring up scale. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for scales. Come back to 15 frames. Change scale value to 200%. At start of the timeline, change scale value to 150%. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease, now adjust the speed graph. You can see the preview. Perfect. Our in effect is created. Now let's see how to create out effect. Select all the layers, pre-compose them. Name it as title. For title composition, in time, enable time remapping. At 2 seconds, we will change time remap value to 2 seconds and 20 frames. At 3 seconds we will set the same time, 2 seconds and 20 frames. This will create a hold keyframe, like a paused effect, for 1 second. For end keyframe, change it to 0. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here our text reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.